tiny keg. It is 2.5 gallons. I bought off old kombucha guy, and I used it to make a bunch of tests for gin. I made like 42 different gins before I chose the botanicals I wanted. Haven't used it in a long time. Here's the issues with this. It is super small and it barely fits on this burner. And when I use this still head, this is my only still head that will fit on top of a keg, it's very top heavy to one side. What I did in the past is I built like a 2x4 frame around it to hold it in place. It was janky and awkward and honestly a bit sketchy. Recently I've been debating buying like a worm condenser or building a new condenser that sits off to the side so there's no weight on top of it. But I just don't want to spend the money right now, honestly, and I don't want a bunch of more equipment just laying around. So what I'm going to do today probably is I'm going to cut slits in this so it fits on the bar and possibly lock it in place. I'll let y'all know how it goes. Do you have any ideas besides buying a new condenser? Cheers.